Yep, we're back with another one, guys. Today we're working on this RV. It has this damage right here. It's beautiful RV. It's multicolor. As you can see, it's got a white, gray, green, a lot of different colors right here. But today we're only concerned about this color, this gray bottom part. I've already matched it up, got it ready for paint, and we're mobile out here and we're about ready to get started on this. This job is a fiberglass repair that we're about to do right here on the spot. Let's go. All right, I just wiped this fiberglass long hair on here, kitty hair. Give this about 15 minutes. It's kind of hot out here, so it shouldn't take that long. All right, we got it all ready for Bondo. Let's get the Bondo going. All right, we got it fully sanded. This thing is about ready for some primer, guys. All right, let's get the primer ready. We got a little something right there. I'm gonna sand that out, but let's get ready for some primer. All right, this is the part I should have did before I got started with this job. You always want to check your paint first. So that's what we're about to do. Check the paint, make sure the color matches. It looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. We're gonna keep it pushing, let's go. All right, now to my favorite part. We got it repaired. And now it's time to clean. Stick with me. All right, I got everything repaired. I got everything cleaned. I got my color mesh done. Now the fun part, taping everything up. So I'm gonna get everything taped up in a record breaking speed this time. So just bear with me. Wow, look at that. Hey, this is the NASCAR pit stop of mobile painting. We got it all masked up and we're ready to go, guys. Let's go. All right, we got it all done. I really had a good time on this. This is a RV that gets common damages on them all the time. I tell you what, before I get into showing you this job, guys, I want to first give a shout out to Bam Bam. He's the one that gave an estimate on this job, and he did a really good job on estimating on this job. So if y'all haven't seen that, go check it out. And to all my subscribers, all the people that's checked us out, I greatly appreciate it. Keep coming back. We're working hard to bring more type of content to you guys, and more angles of how we display our hands team. That's what we're here for. But no further ado, let's check it out right quick.